Good morning, students. Till now, we have seen that what all the children did on the 3 days, okay, on the moon. Okay, on third day, they have visited the historical place where Neil Armstrong footprint was preserved and where his statue is present. Okay, so after that, the next attraction for the children was that they were going to wear the space suits for the first time. Okay, so till now they have done sky watching, they have seen circus and visited the historical place. Now they were ready to wear space suit, okay, for the first time. So they were so excited. Then they were going to roam outside, experiencing the gravitational force of the moon. Okay. So till now, they have only visited the places in the settlements. Okay. They have just visited. They have done sky watching from the settlement. They have seen the circus in the settlements, and also they have seen that historical place where Neil Armstrong's footprints were preserved. That was also present in the settlement. Okay, so now first time they were going outside the settlement. Okay, that's why they have guarded with the space suits. Okay, they have to wear the space suit, and they are going to go outside the settlement. To roam means to wander, okay, to walk and experience the gravitational force of the moon. Okay, so gravitational force on the moon is 1/6 of that of the earth. Okay, now see what happens with them. Be careful when you walk, dear children. Don't run or sprint, you will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly, but who was in the mood to listen? They hopped, jumped, and ran around. So, students, whenever we go to any trip, okay, then our teacher and also our parents guide us, okay, and they will tell us various things. Do that, don't do that, okay. They have list of do's and don'ts, okay. They always warn us, okay, and always warn that we should be safe, okay. So they were guiding us. So on this, in the same way, the teacher were guiding the children, okay. They want that their children, their students must be safe, okay. And they were not on the earth, they were on the moon, so they were little worried. So they are telling to the student, be careful, okay, while you walk. Don't run, don't sprint, okay. Sprint means run at full speed, okay. You will fall. So the teacher were telling that don't run fast, okay, you will fall. We are not on the earth, we are on the moon. The teacher was warning repeatedly, but who was in the mood to listen? Okay, so no one is listening to the teachers, okay, and they hopped, jumped, and ran around. So they did what they want, okay. The teacher were warning them, but students were not listening. Buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon. Very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops in the settlement. Okay, so the shopkeepers who were present there were screaming, okay, were shouting that buy the ornaments, okay, specially made from the stones on the moon. So the ornaments were prepared or made from the stones on the moon, okay, and they are very cheap, okay. So the shopkeepers were telling that cheaper and better, at least have a look. They are very cheap and better. Even if you don't want to buy, at least look at them, okay. Then you will after seeing that you will decide, okay, you want to buy or not. The roadside shopkeepers screamed at the top of their voice, "Buy, sister, buy! I'm selling these earrings really cheap." Saying this, he approached Sally and displayed the sets of shining stones earrings. Okay, so students, whenever we go to street shopping, okay, whenever you go to the Lakshmi Road or Tulsi Bagh on Pune, so there you can see various shopkeepers, okay, sellers who are screaming, shouting, okay, they are trying to bring us in their shop, okay, for shopping. So there also on the moon, some shopkeepers were very excited and they are shouting loudly so that the children will go to their shop and do shopping there. Okay, so "Buy, sister, buy! I am selling these earrings really cheap." Saying this, he approached Sally and displayed the sets of shining stones earrings. So one of the shopkeeper approached to Sally and she was telling that, "Sister, please buy these earrings, stone earrings. Okay, I have prepared that with very hard work." Okay, and she started to show the sets of that shining stone earrings to the Sally. Sally suddenly remembered her mother. Tomorrow they were to start on their return journey. She had completely forgotten her mother in the last 3 days. She felt terribly guilty. Okay, so after going to the moon and seeing all the interesting things, Sally had forgotten her mother. Okay, because he was too busy and happy on the moon. Okay, so after seeing that earrings, Sally suddenly remembered her mother. Okay, and now she realized that they are going to home tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow they are starting their journey towards the home, return journey, and she completely forgotten her mother. So she was feeling guilty that she have spent 3 days there on the moon, but she have not done anything for her mother. Okay, she have not bought anything for her mother, so she was feeling guilty. Okay, so children, whenever we also go to some picnic, then we forgot our home, okay, our parents, okay, for some time. Okay, so but we don't do that. Okay, our parents have given money for our picnic, so we should remember them. Okay, so here Sally also forgotten her mom. Okay, but now she realized her mistake. Okay, and she felt very terribly, means very, okay, extremely, she felt very guilty. Okay, so she decided to take something for her mother. "Buy this, sister, don't think much, cheaper and better, take it." So again that shopkeeper is telling that, "Sister, please buy this earring. Okay, this is very cheap and better, take it." Sally looked around. The other children had proceeded ahead. So Sally was busy with that shopkeeper. Okay, then she realized that the other children had proceeded ahead. "Come on, give me those red earrings. Quick!" Sally pointed at them and asked, "What's the price?" So now Sally wanted to buy that earring, but she also realized that her friends were already proceeded. Okay, so she shouted on that shopkeeper that, "Come on, give me that red earrings and tell me the price, I will give you." So see, Sally was very excited to buy that earrings for her mother. Okay, but at the same time she realized that her friend were proceeded. Only 1000 rupees, replied the salesman. Okay, then salesman told the price of the earrings. Sally immediately paid the amount, took the earrings, and ran to catch up with her friends. So Sally have not done any bargaining. Okay, she have just given him the money and bought that earrings for her mother. Okay, and she then uh, ran to catch up with her friends. So children, what do I learn in this video? That till now Sally and her friend were only traveling inside the settlement. Okay, so but now they are going outside the settlement. That's why they have to wear the space suits, and for that they are very excited because they are going to experience the outside gravitational force. Okay, so the teacher were advising them to not run. Okay, not sprint. Okay, otherwise you will fall. But the children were so excited, they deliberately done that. Okay, and after that she saw some shopkeepers, okay, who are selling some ornaments. Okay, and one of the shopkeeper have approached to the Sally, and he have shown some earrings to her, and then Sally realized that he forgotten her mother. Okay, so she decided to bring something for her mother. Okay, so he bought that red earring for her mother, and she have given 1000 rupees to the salesman. Okay.